Unlocking language. The meaning of cheat code. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a phrase that's wandered far beyond its original context in the gaming world: cheat code. Often heard in casual conversation, it's a phrase that can confuse and intrigue in equal measure. If you're ready to unlock the meaning behind these words, let's level up your English skills together. The term cheat code comes straight from the world of video gaming. It refers to a sequence of buttons or a specific password that can unlock new abilities, levels, or features within a game. These codes are usually not part of the regular gameplay and are considered shortcuts to gain advantages. Outside gaming, cheat code has taken on a metaphorical meaning. It's used to describe any shortcut, trick, or strategy that helps someone achieve a goal more easily. For example, if someone says, "Knowing the right people is like having a cheat code for your career," they mean that connections can give you an easier path to success. Let's put this phrase into action. When using cheat code in conversation, it's often in the context of gaining an unexpected or unconventional advantage. Here are some examples. Finding a study method that works for you is like discovering a cheat code for exams. Meal prepping on Sundays is my cheat code for a healthy diet during a busy week. Remember, using cheat code in a non-gaming context is usually playful and not about actual cheating. And that's the scoop on cheat code. From a gamer's secret weapon to a widely used idiom, it's a phrase that's certainly leveled up. I hope you found this explanation helpful and that you can now use cheat code with confidence in your conversations. Keep playing with language, and you'll find that English is full of fun phrases just waiting to be decoded. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.